Okay, hello traders, it's Sunapan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. Just a very quick video on our live trades running over here. You can see we are on dollar Swiss over here, now currently just a little bit less than £2,000 over there. Now you can see over here on dollar Swiss trade, what have we actually done to capture this particular trade? You can see that we have used the principles of compressions, okay? However, we are only able to identify a compression because of the parameters that we have used here at Master the Markets. Second thing is also because we have quantified the tops and bottoms that you can see over here using the Smart Money Indicator, which eliminates any kind of discretion, so it becomes more quantified. Not only have we used compression phases as a principle, the second thing that we have also used is also the time frame combination. So for example, over here on dollar Swiss, so let me just put in dollar Swiss over here. So when you can see that we've used the time frame correlation of also the higher time frame here where it's an uptrend, and this is actually a phase 2. So looking for the end of phase 2 and the beginning of a phase 1. And to do that, we look more closely into price patterns. Okay, so these are the three combinations that we have done to capture this move, which is over here, which is less than about £2,000 at the moment. Now what we will do now, since we've caught this on the lower time frame, what we'll do is we will trail it on and trade manage it on the higher time frame to let it run. Okay, however, the critical part now to lock in the profits will come from our exits, which will now look at different time frames also to get our targets. So as we go along in this trade, we will keep updating you all, and you all can see it as well. And of course, for those of you who want to learn more about this or have any questions, you can always go and take a look at both our video series. So one of them would be traderstarterpack.com, where the beginners can start looking into the video series. It's a 5-day video course where you can learn about the different principles and the most important foundations for your trading journey ahead. For those of you a bit more intermediate professionals, you can learn about the 3 components and the 3-step methodology, which is important. And this included in TradeLikeAMaster.com. I highly recommend every trader, intermediate trader, to really look at this video series, because we put a lot of time and quality content into this that I will highly recommend you all to look. When you all look through this video series, either at Trader Starter Pack for beginners / intermediates or Trade Like a Master for senior intermediates and professionals, once you have looked at Trade Like a Master, that will help you all answer the questions on how we are capturing this kind of trades in real time. Okay, and of course, anytime you can always also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all these notifications in real time for you, so they will help us to spread the truth further. Alright, that's all from me for now. Till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.